In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to local save in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download a copy of your Figma file to your computer for safekeeping, archiving, or sharing. This is perfect when you want a snapshot of your work that won't change, or if you need a backup outside the cloud. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Figma, then open the official Figma website. You can follow along in the browser or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Once Figma loads, make sure you're in your workspace so you can see your designs. Look through your recent files or project folders and find the file you want to save locally. You can scroll through your recents, browse your team projects, or use the search bar to quickly locate a file by name. Open the file so you can access its menu options. Keep in mind that you'll only be able to save a local copy for files you can open, and your access level may affect what you can do. With the file open, go to the top left corner and click the main menu icon, the Figma logo. This opens a menu with all of your file actions and settings. From here, you'll navigate to the option that lets you download a copy directly to your computer. In that main menu, click File to reveal the file-related commands. You'll see options like saving versions, duplicating, exporting, and more. We're interested in saving a complete copy of the file itself, not just exporting frames or images. Choose Save Local Copy. When you click it, Figma prepares a .fig file, which is Figma's native file format. In the desktop app, you'll be asked where to save it and what to name it. In a browser, it may go straight to your default Downloads folder, depending on your settings. You can rename the file as you save it. Adding a date or version number is a great habit for keeping backups organized. A few tips as you wrap up. A local copy is a snapshot of the file at that moment. It won't sync with the online version. If you ever need to bring it back into Figma, you can import the .fig file or drag it into a project. Fonts aren't embedded, so install any required fonts on the computer where you open it. Also, components and libraries that live outside the file won't update inside the local copy until you reconnect them after importing. That's it. Open Figma, pick your project, open the main menu, click File, and choose Save Local Copy. This simple workflow gives you reliable, portable backups of your designs.